ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes sir. Yes teacher. Present ma'am.
Good morning my dear students. I am Babu sir from Government Higher Primary School, Yadgiri district, Gurmitikal Taluk. My dear students, today I am going to take class 7th English subject. My dear students, I think you are all eager to listen my class. Dear students, today's class I am going to make very colorful and enjoyable. Are you ready my dear students? Okay. Now, my dear students, in your home you are all watching some cartoon teleserials with your brothers, with your sisters, younger and elders, all cartoons and cartoon teleserials. Okay. And now I am going to show you some of the video clips for you which are very funny and colorful. Okay. Are you ready to watch? Okay my dear student. Here we are going to play the first video clip for you. Take a look.
Mr. Trouble never hangs around when he hears this mighty sound. Here I come to save the day, means Mighty Mouse and friends are on the way. Yes sir, when there is a wrong to right, Mighty Mouse will join the fight. On the sea or on the land, you can count on Mighty Mouse and friends.
Dear students, this is one of the video which is Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse is a cartoon character created in 1928. Mickey Mouse become a first cartoon character, have a star on Hollywood Walk of Fame. I hope you are all enjoyed this video clip. Okay my dear students, next I am moving to the play next video clip for you. Are you ready to see? Okay, next video clip please.
भीम की शक्ति धूम मचाए सामने कोई टिक ना पाए छोटा भीम छोटा भीम छोटा भीम छोटा भीम 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 छोटा भीम दिल का ये रंगीन खाने की मशीन लड्डू का शौकीन भीम 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 छोटा भीम यारों का है यार.
My dear students, the previous video clip, this is Chota Bheem. You are all familiar with this video clip and you are all enjoying with your brothers and sisters in your home. Chota Bheem is an Indian animated comedy show. Bheem and his friends are usually involved in protecting Raja Indravarma, the king of Dholakpur. This is very famous cartoon teleserial in our country. Okay my dear students, next I am going to play another one video for you and just watch it. My dear students, this is one of the famous cartoon figures. These are Zozos. These Zozos are white creatures with ballooned body and egg heads, and this is very famous cartoon characters. Everyone like to watch these cartoon videos. I think you enjoying the class. Okay my dear students, I am going to show you another one video clip for you. Be ready to watch for the video clip. Dear students, this is one of the famous teleserial, which is a famous cartoon. Tom and Jerry is an American comedy short film. Jerry is a mouse here and Tom is the cat, and in this comedy short film both the characters are very world famous, and now this comedy teleserial is available in our regional languages also. And Tom and Jerry are famous cartoon characters which are enjoying the audience. I hope all these video clips you enjoyed a lot. Okay, my dear students, next I am going to move for the class. Dear students, now I am going to ask you few questions. Name the favorite teleserial cartoon characters. Okay. Dear students, these are the favorite cartoon teleserial characters, and here the names are Mickey Mouse, Chota Bheem, Motu Patlu and Chutki. So many more are the favorite cartoon characters of every child. I hope in your class also you are also having some of the favorite cartoon characters like these. Okay. Dear students, this is the second question for you. Name the objects of yours which having cartoons. Yes, you are right, my dear students. These are the objects which are you are using in your daily life. These are the objects having cartoon pictures. Lunch box, pencil, dresses, geometry box, these are the objects we are using which are having cartoon pictures. And the third question is, identify this great cartoonist of our country. Do you know this personality, my dear students? Yes, you are right. Well done. This is none other than the great cartoonist R.K. Lakshman, the one of the legendary cartoonist of our country. My dear students, these are the questions you answered very well, and thank you very much. Now I am going to move for the next. My dear students, now I am going to introduce you few new words of the lesson. Now I am going to display new words of the lesson. The first word is cartoon. Cartoon means the comic drawing. I will frame the sentence using the word cartoon. I like cartoon programs. The next word is cartoonist. A person who create a cartoon is called cartoonist. And the third word is mischievous. Mischievous means naughty. I hope in your home your siblings are doing very naughtiness in your home, and that is means mischievous means naughtiness. Naughty, I am using the mischievous word in a sentence. R.K. Lakshman was mischievous boy in his childhood. And the next word is mascot. Mascot means lucky symbol. I am using the word mascot in a sentence. I keep red stone as a lucky mascot. Mascot means that is lucky symbol. I think you are also keeping some stones or objects in your compass box or in your bags or in your books, some as like lucky mascot. Okay, my dear students, and these are the new words of the lesson which are given in your textbook. And write down these new words and try to make more and more sentences. Now I am going to start the lesson. Okay, now I will read the lesson and you carefully listen. Okay, again you take your notebooks and pen and open your textbooks, and here the great cartoonist R.K. Lakshman, his full name is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Lakshman. He was born on 23rd October 1924 in Mysuru. His father Krishnaswamy Iyer was headmaster in a school. His elder brother R.K. Narayan is a famous story writer in English, and this is about the early childhood of R.K. Lakshman. R.K. Lakshman was attracted by the pictures that he observed in the newspapers. He would also observe objects around him like leaves, lizard like creatures, and a number of crows on rooftops opposite building. He started drawing those pictures on the walls, doors and windows of his house. All this he did before he went to school. The drawing of cartoons of R.K. Lakshman, it was a hobby of R.K. Lakshman when he was in childhood. He was always trying to draw new and so many cartoons on the doors, on the walls and in papers. R.K. Lakshman was the captain of a local cricket team. He was a very mischievous, and his brother often matched him, play and wrote characters for his books. Based on this, later on Lakshman became very serious about cartoon pictures and started drawing for magazines, newspapers and cover pages for almost all his brother's books. His brother, he was a famous English writer. He also created a popular mascot for the Asian Paints, a group called Gattu in 1954. His cartoon have also appeared in the Hindi film Mr. and Mrs. 55, the Tamil film Kamraj, and all pictures after teleserial Malgudi Days, written by his brother, directed by Shankar Nag. Here, this is the Malgudi Days, one of the famous teleserial which was retelecasted in lockdown period. I suggest you, my dear students, please watch again and again this Malgudi Days. It's one of the best teleserial of our industry, film industry. And this is the famous actor, legendary actor of Kannada industry, Shankar Nag, and the child actor Master Manjunath. And this is Asian Paints, one of the mascot, this is the Gattu cartoon which is created by R.K. Lakshman. It was created in 1954 by R.K. Lakshman. And Lakshman's Mr. Citizen or Common Man cartoons become so popular that people who bought the Times of India paid a special interest to his cartoons. In this way, he became a very popular in India. This great cartoonist of India passed away on 26 January in 2015 in Pune. And this is the famous cartoon which is created by R.K. Lakshman, Common Man. And this is the one of the photo I collected here, and this is the last day of the great legendary of cartoon world, R.K. Lakshman's death day this is, and he was passed away on 26th January 2015. Our country lost a great soul of cartoon world. My dear students, I hope you were all enjoy the lesson, and now I am going to ask you few more questions about the lesson. Answer the following questions by using the given options. Here I am going to display you three options A, B, C. For the given question, you have to answer, you have to choose one right option. Are you ready, my dear students? Okay. The first question is, when was R.K. Lakshman born? Here the options are: option A, 2nd October 1954, option B, 23rd October 1924, and the option C is 20th October 1969. Do you know the answer? Very good. The answer is option B, 23rd October 1924. Well done. Okay. I will move for the next question, and this is the second question. What is the father name of R.K. Lakshman? Here the options are: option A, R.K. Narayan; option B, K.R. Narayan; option C, Krishnaswamy Iyer. Okay, now I will check the answer. Very good. Option C, Krishnaswamy Iyer is the right answer. Well done. And the next question is, who is the writer of Malgudi Days? Here are the options. Option A, R.K. Lakshman; option B, K.R. Narayan; option C, R.K. Narayan. Okay, can you answer? Very good. R.K. Narayan. Option C is the right answer. Well done, my dear students. And next question is, what is the popular mascot for the Asian Paints? Here are the options. Option A, Motu; option B, Bittu; option C, and Gattu. Okay, I will check the answer now. Answer C, Gattu is the right answer. Very good. Well done. Okay, dear students, now I am going to give you some of the activities about the lesson. Okay? Write a sentence about the kind of work the people in the list do. One example I will give you, and you try to do another giving questions. Here example. The first example I am giving here: cartoonist. A person who draws cartoon pictures is called a cartoonist. Cartoonist means person who draws cartoon pictures is called a cartoonist. Okay, this is the example, and now I am going to display few words and you have to answer it. Okay, here the next word: driver. The driver is one of the profession. Who is called driver? Oh, very good. A person who drives a vehicle, he is called a driver. Well done. The next word is soldier. Who is soldier, my dear students? Yes, soldier means a person who serves in army is called soldier. You know, soldier, teacher and the farmer, real heroes of our country. We have to salute both of three personalities of our country. Okay, soldier, the person who serves in army is called soldier. Okay, well done, my dear students. Next word is teacher. Who is teacher? Very good. Teacher, a person who teaches to the students, he is called a teacher. Well done. And next word is fisherman. Who is fisherman? Do you like fishes? Yes, I like also fishes. Fisherman means a person who catches the fish, he is called fisherman. Fisherman means a person who catches the fish for his living, he is called fisherman. Okay, my dear students, here is the grammar activity about prepositions. You know prepositions? Yes, very good. Prepositions means the word which shows the position of an object. Such words are called prepositions. Some basic prepositions I mentioned here. They are of, from, against, with, during, for, in and to. These are the basic commonly we use prepositions in our textbooks. Okay. Now I am going to display you one of the paragraph, and I already highlighted by the yellow color of the yellow color, and the prepositions are mentioned in the paragraph. Just check it out. Here the paragraph I displayed. Underline the prepositions in the following passage. Here I am reading the passage. Anju had enjoyed having a room of her own in the past. She had not shared her room with anyone else, but now her grandparents were expected to come from their village to stay with Anju and her parents. Anju's father wanted to his old parents to be near him so that he could take care of them. Her room was given to her grandparents to make them comfortable during the stay. And these are the some of the prepositions are mentioned by yellow color here, in, with, to, and here to, and again the to and of, and these are the prepositions which are mentioned in the given paragraph. My dear students, I hope you understood the what is preposition and which are the common prepositions we used. Okay? I will go to next part of this chapter, that is homework. Here I am giving you homework and you try to do in your home, and the given homework is answer the following statements in one word. Here I am going to display you some statements and you have to answer in a single word. Okay? That is called one word substitutions, like that. Here the statements are, first one is government by a king or a queen. What is it is called? Give in a one word. Okay? Answer should be in a one word. And the next statement is study of animals. We call study of animals is dash. Okay? In one word you have to answer, and this is the second statement. And the third statement, life history written by someone else. It is called what? In one word you can answer. And the next, the fourth one statement is one who can speak 2 languages. In one word you answer for it. And the next one is one who doesn't know how to read and write. Okay? The following statements are all expects one in a one word answer. Okay? You have to answer in a one word only, in a single word only. Okay? Next homework is draw your favorite cartoon pictures. So this is a very active homework for you, and I hope you are all enjoying in the drawing of cartoon pictures. Thank you, my dear students. This is your class about the great cartoonist, and now I am going to complete it means I am going to stop this class and see you next in a next session. Thank you very much.